to my channel. My name is Paige, and today we're going to be opening the Summer FabFitFun box. I will say I think this one's the heaviest one that I've felt in a long time. If you did not know, my FabFitFun partner, they send these to me each season, and I get to open them up for y'all and tell y'all the tea. Just give y'all the tea, the real deal. If I like the stuff that's in it, if I think it's a waste of money, blah blah blah, all the good things. And I also have a code you can get a discount with if you've never got a FabFitFun box before, and after this video now you gotta have one. I'm gonna hook you up. That's also down below, so there'll be a link and my code down below in the description box that you can check out. So we have like a new location. If you've been watching my videos for a while, or you ain't, you might notice that I'm in a different place. This is the nursery right now. It is under construction. So I'm looking at a bunch of junk, but we got some good natural light happening. So I'm living for this natural light. So I figured I would come in here. It might be a little loud in here. I hope it's not, because the air conditioning unit's right outside. If it is, I probably have some like really nice acoustical music playing to try to cover that up. Anyway, so all of the FabFitFun boxes come in these gorgeous boxes. They change each season. It just depends on like the color scheme and the design will go along with whatever season. So this one's for the summer, and I'm living for it. It's like this pastel pink and like an aqua marine looking color. I don't know. If y'all know me, you know I'm all about the packaging and stuff. I think that they nail it every season. So all of them come with these little like magazine catalog things. And I like to keep this because when I say keep this, I mean I keep it for the extent of me opening the box, so that I'm able to look back and see how much the stuff was and if I'm really getting a good deal. If you know anything about these boxes, the stuff inside of them can range from like $200 to $400. Like there's a big range, and you only pay $50 for a box. Most of the time there's an item in there that already costs more than you paid for the entire box, which is pretty neat in my book. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it open. I kind of got an idea of what I got, because if you're one of the VIP FabFitFun members, you get to choose in between certain things to go in your box. So you actually get to make a decision on which item you would prefer, which I think is amazing. So I do kind of know some of the stuff, but some of the other stuff I have no idea. So I'm just gonna grab. Alright, so this first thing, Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love a mask. How much are you? Where are you at? What did I call it? Generation Clay? This mask is $39, packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. I love a good mask, and it's closed of course, so I can't smell it. If you know me, I also enjoy smelling things. Next item, I feel like I've seen this brand on social media before. Wish, W-H-I-S-H, exfoliating foot mask. Shug needs this, okay? Shug lives for a foot everything. The foot scrubbers, the foot everything. What is this? This is number 9. This right here is $32. If you add up the first 2 products that I pulled out, you already spent more if you were to just go out and buy these than you would if you bought the box. Just saying. So this says get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. I'm excited to try this. If y'all didn't know, I suffer from dry feet, and ever since I got pregnant they're extra dry. So I will be using this, and I'll probably let you guys know what I think about it over on Instagram. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. Use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let it dry. Go to bed and awaken with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. I'm excited. Okay, next thing we have is this Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. Micro Gommage Affinant. I don't know if I read that right. Super fine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores. So this, I'm assuming, is like a face exfoliator. I have to make sure that I can use this. If it has like salicylic acids or something else, I can't remember. I can't use it because pregnant. But this right here is $57 normally. And it says this unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and fresh, smooth face. Y'all, I am a huge, avid believer in exfoliating your face. I do it once to twice a week, depending on exactly how much I need. I, of course, have one that's, you know, pregnant safe right now, but I'll figure out if I can use this or not. If not, I would probably be giving it away so that somebody else can actually put it to good use. Another product, this is, ooh, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I love a good facial mist. Spray All Day by Grace and Stella. And this right here is $25.95. I love rose spray. I have the, what is it? What is it in the green? Oh gosh, pregnancy brain. Somebody comment down below and tell me the spray that I'm talking about. With the green label and white, green and white. What the crap? I can't think of what it's called. But that, y'all know what I'm talking about. That. Comment it down below. I think this is the last like product-y kind of thing, like for your body. That makes sense. This is an Ico, and I've actually tried this brand's eyeliner before. I want to say that I got like a teeny tiny one in an Ipsy package, and I really liked it. I do prefer these like liquid pen kind of eyeliners to give me that wing, and this is in black. This will normally run you for $22, and like I said, I do like this brand, and from what I remember, I really did enjoy that felt tip that it had on there as well. Ooh, we have some Invisibobbles. I have used my own money to buy these. I have the slim ones that are black, and then I also have the normal original ones that are black and brown ones that are original. So I have one in my hair right now. You can't see it, it's black. Can you see it? Can you? Huge supporters of the Invisibobble. How much is this little pack here? Because I don't even remember how much I paid for it. This pack right here of 6 is normally $16, and they will stretch out some. I typically like make sure that I'm rotating them out so that I'm not like killing them and stretching them out with all this hair. But love these. I feel like they don't break my hair off as bad as a normal hair tie would, and I don't know, I just feel like I don't get as many headaches from like tension or whatever. But I love Invisibobble. If you haven't used these before, they have a ton of colors. Like I said, black, brown. I think they got like some rose golds and different fun colors, but love them. What is this? Want a pair instead of 2. What? Oh, these are silicone wine glasses. Okay, we have silicone wine glasses in a very cute pink little drawstring bag. See what they look like. They're pink. I assume they were pink. I'm a little upset that I can't drink wine out of these. But I mean, I guess I can drink whatever else non-alcoholic in this, but this makes me a little sad that I can't use these to its original use. But these are really cute, I have to say. And they don't feel like really flimsy. They do feel like really sturdy, like if they were to sit up. I don't foresee your drink like tumbling over. These are $25 for the set of 2. I think these are super cute. Like really cute. This is my favorite color pink of life. So, super cute. Wish I could put some wine in them. But you know how that goes. What is this? Spiritual Gangster. Is this a robe? Ooh. Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono. Oh, it's a kimono. This fits up, it says it fits up to size 16. And it's normally $60. Who would pay $60 for a kimono? I'm sure there's somebody out there that would, but sis, I'm not. Feeling like money. Oh, okay. I see you. Alright. I mean, so you would call it, oh, so that's, oh wait. So it has these little built-in ties. So you wouldn't necessarily call this a robe. I personally would wear it as a robe. I mean, with the right thing, yes, this would be super cute. It's not like so big. I am a size 12, like 10, 12. Depends. So, I mean, I don't know if I don't think a 16 could like wear this and tie it where it would close. I might be wrong. I don't know. But I do like it. It is like not very thick, which is perfect for the summertime. So you can throw this on over your bathing suit or a little like strappy little sundress or something. A denim dress would be cute. I see this working out really cute for the summer. Especially because, you know, I'm pregnant and I sweat more than normal. So yes, I think this would be the perfect addition to my wardrobe for the summertime. Alright, and last but certainly not least, this is what I'm most excited about. I know this is in here because I picked it out in the little quiz thing. And plus it tells me what it is on this box. It is a felt message board. I'm so excited! Okay, so if y'all have watched my videos before, my normal backdrop, which is no longer in existence because my used to be studio is now our baby's nursery, but you used to see a pink felt letter board thing like behind me that said People's Foolish on it, and I wanted one for the baby, like for like just different like pregnancy announcement stuff, like in the hospital. You know how they have the cute little signs in the hospital and they put the baby's name and how big the baby was and all of that. I wanted one and I was this close to buying one until I seen that it came in this season's FabFitFun box. So this thing is normally $35. I don't believe that, but I've seen some cheaper on sale. I have seen some that were around that price. But I wouldn't have paid that. I do like that this one comes with a little like burlap kind of sack for you to put all of the letters in, which will make it easy for us to take along with us to the hospital so that we can write the baby's name, how big she was and all the good stuff, what time she came and all of that, and any like cute little pregnancy pictures that I want to take along the way and I need one of these. I thought that was just fantastic. So if anything else, I was super duper excited about this felt board, and the other stuff is a really added bonus. So this would have to be my favorite out of this season, and then I'm thinking I'm really excited to try out this foot mask for sure, because like I said, it's hot. You're gonna have your feet out more than maybe you normally would, so you don't want to looking crusty and dusty. So I think this is going to help a sister out. And like I said, some other stuff, if I decide that I want to do a giveaway, make sure you're following me over on Instagram, because sometimes I put some stuff together and give it away that I might not be using. You never know unless you follow me on Instagram. So make sure you head over there and check a sister out. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. What do you think is your favorite thing from what you got? I know not everybody gets the same stuff, because you know, we all get different things. So what was your favorite thing from your box? Or what are you most excited about getting because you hadn't got your box yet? Leave me that down in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye. FabFitFun, FabFitFun, FabFitFun. I need to put this stuff on my feet now. Clean. You smell clean, Sherry. I want some of this. I want to try this. Why is nothing open? An everlasting love, the one I've waited for. It's about to drive me nuts. This is aggravating. This plastic. I've never had to get off of a box before.